Hello everyone, Miss Rita here. In this video we are going to learn about the practice set number 3.4, question number 4. I hope you have seen my previous video of practice set number 3.4 and question number 1 to 3. Question number 4 is given. There is an auditorium with 27 rows of seats. There are 20 seats in the first row, 22 seats in the second row, 24 seats in the third row, and so on. Find the number of seats in the 15th row and also find the how many total seats are there in the auditorium. So solution is, first of all we will write first row we have 20 seat, second row we have 22, third row we have 24 seat. So T1 is 20, T2 is 22, T3 is 24, and T1 is our A, that is our 20. So now a common difference, as we know, if it T2 minus T1 we get the common difference. So 22 minus 20 we get 2. So our difference is 2 now. Here we have to find the number of seats in the 15th row. So our n number is what? 15th. So Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 D. After using the formula, substitute the value of n, A and D. So n value is 15, A value is 20 and D value is 2. First of all we will solve the bracket. 15 minus 1 we get 14. So 20 plus 14 into 2. So 42 is 28. 20 plus 28, here we get 48. So T15 is our 48. It means that in 15th row we have 48 seats. Now the second thing it is asked, find how many total number of seats are there in auditorium. The auditorium we have total how many rows are there? 27 rows. So n is our 27. Total seat here we have to find. So here we have to use the formula as n upon 2 2a plus n minus 1d. Substitute the value of n and a and d. First of all we will solve the bracket. 27 minus 1 we get 26. 2 into 20 we get 40. So here 26 2 is 52 plus 40 we get 92. So 2 1 is 2, 2 1 is 2 4 is 8, 1 is given 2, next number became 12, 2 6 is 12. So here we get 46. So 27 multiplied by 46, what we get, student? 1242. So total seats are 1242 seats are there in the auditorium. The next one, the question number 5 is given. Kargil temperatures was recorded in a week from Monday to Saturday. All readings were in AP. The sum of temperature of Monday and Saturday was 5 degrees Celsius, more than the sum of temperature on Tuesday and Saturday. If the temperatures on Wednesday was minus 30 degrees Celsius, then find the temperature on the other 5 days. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Total 6 days are there, and Wednesday's temperatures already is given minus 30. So rest all 5 days we have to find the temperature. So first of all we have to assume the 6 consecutive term in AP. Why we are taking 6? Because 6 days are there from Monday to Saturday. 6 consecutive terms are A minus 3D, A minus 2D, A minus D, A plus D, A plus 2D. This you have to remember, the 6 consecutive term. It will be not given in the exam. Now as per the first condition, it is given that the sum of the temperature Monday and Saturday was 5 degrees Celsius more than the sum of temperature in Tuesday and Saturday. So here our Monday and Saturday. Monday is what, our A minus 3D plus, and Saturday temperature is what? Saturday what term is there? A plus 2D equal to 5 more, means 5 plus Tuesday is our A minus 2D plus, and Saturday we have A plus 2D. So left side if you see, A became 2A minus 3D plus 2D we get minus D. 3 minus 2 we get D equal to 5. A plus A 2A minus D and plus 2D is cut. Now plus 2A is given here and plus 2A is given to the left side also. Both will cut. So what is remain? Minus D equal to 5. So minus sign will go to the 5, become D equal to minus 5. Here we got the value of D minus 5. We'll substitute in the second condition, because the second condition is given what? If temperature of Wednesday was minus 30 degree, and Wednesday is one is which one? Third term. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Wednesday is A minus D equal to minus 30. So D value we got minus 5. Write in the bracket minus 5 and outside also given minus plus. A plus 5 equal to minus 30. Now plus 5 will go to the right, so become minus 5. Now minus plus 30 plus 5 is 35. Bigger number sign is minus. So A value we got minus 35. We'll substitute A and D value the 6 consecutive term. The first term is Monday, that is A minus 3D. A value is minus 35, minus 3 multiplied by D value is minus 5. So minus 35 minus plus 3 5s are 15. So here we get minus 20 degree. Monday degree is how much? 20 degree. Minus 20 degree. Same we will substitute the value of A and D in the Tuesday. Already we have the Wednesday. We'll check the answer. Answer given 30 minus 30 degree. Thursday is given A, so our A value is minus 35. Friday was A plus D means minus 35 plus minus 5. So minus plus 35 plus 5 is 40 minus 40. Saturday is given A plus 2D. So minus 35 plus 2 multiplied by minus 5. Minus 10. So minus plus 35 plus 10 is minus 45. So minus 20, minus 25, minus 30, minus 35, minus 40 and minus 45 are the temperature of 3 consecutive days. Understood? Now, question number 6. On the World Environmental Day, tree plantation program was arranged on a large land which is triangular in shape. Trees are planted such that in the first row there is one tree, in the second row there is 2 trees, in the third row 3, so on. Find the total number of trees in the 25 rows. Total 25 rows are there. We have to find the total number of trees in total 25 rows. So we'll write a T1, T2 and T3. The common difference between the two term is 1. So D is our 1. Total tree we have to find. So Eisenhower formula will use and give value is 25. So Eisenhower formula is what? N upon 2, 2A plus N minus 1D. Substitute the value of N and A and D. 2 1 are 2, 25 minus 1 we get 24. Solve the bracket. 24 1 are 24 plus 2 became 26. We cut by 2, 2 1 are 2, 2 13 are. So 25 into 13 we get 325. So here we can say 325 trees are there in 25 rows. Understood? I hope you have understood all these 3 sums which I have explained now. And thank you for watching this video.